Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some very simple code to basically format a flash drive. Now I've already got a flash drive in here with a couple of files on it, so I'm going to create a function called format flash drive. Okay, so I'm going to create a variable and assign it to D. So that's my flash drive is D. Okay, I'm going to create another variable called file system. I'm going to assign that to FAT32 because this is a Windows file system. I'm going to create a format command, F command, I'm going to call it F command, and I'm going to create a format string there, and this is the command to format the drive. So simply format, and then we've got drive, then FS, and then the file system, and the file system, and just to finish off the command, QY. Okay, so this is the command, the F command here, to format the drive. Now what we're going to do is we're going to print a message to the user telling them formatting drive. I think I'll leave that F string out there. Don't really need it, it's not necessary. You can put it in if you want. Okay, so we're going to use os.system here and simply F command to run it. Okay, then we print a message to the user afterwards, print drive formatted. Okay, right, that's looking good. So let's go down here, format, this is how we run it, flash drive. Format flash drive, we save it and we run the program. Okay, it says drive formatted. Let's have a look. Let's go into our drive here, USB drive. Aha. Okay, slight error there. I missed out that. Okay, let's give it a shot again. Let's just save that and let's run it. Okay. This type of file system is FAT32, so you can see there we've got the results of a quick formatting. So there's the results. Let's go and check out if we've formatted it or not. So that's USB drive, and there's nothing on the USB drive. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.